I went through this awesome guardrails for Amazon Bedrock Workshop, the link's down in the description, definitely check it out if you're curious. But before you dive headfirst into building, I wanted to walk you through the architecture real quick. Trust me, understanding how all these pieces fit together will make the workshop so much clearer and help you really grasp what each component is doing. So, let's break it down. So, the way it works is pretty clever. You've got your user, just typing away into some kind of app, probably something slick like an Angular thing running on the web. That app's getting served up super fast using CloudFront from a website sitting on S3. Simple enough, right? Now, when the user hits enter, that message doesn't just go straight to the AI like some free-for-all. Nope. There's this secure connection, an API gateway WebSocket. Think of it like a dedicated, always-on tunnel straight to the backend. That tunnel then pings this thing called Lambda. Now, Lambda's like the busy worker bee behind the scenes, handling all the heavy lifting without needing a whole server hanging around. It's the one that actually talks to the AI brain, which in this case is Amazon Bedrock. But here's the cool part, before the user's message even gets to the AI, it has to go through these input guardrails. Imagine them as really strict security guards for your AI. They're checking everything the user says. Like, are they saying anything nasty? Are they asking about stuff the AI shouldn't talk about? Are they accidentally typing in their credit card number? These guardrails have filters for all that, content, topics, even sensitive info. There are even checks to make sure the AI's responses are based on real stuff and not just made-up nonsense. If the user's input is clean, then it gets a pass. Then, the clean stuff finally goes to the actual AI, the big language model in Bedrock. Now, these things are smart, but they can still say the wrong thing sometimes. So, whatever the AI spits out as a response, guess what? It has to go through another set of guards, the output guardrails. These are the last line of defense, making sure the AI's reply is just as safe and policy-friendly as what the user typed in. If the AI's answer is clean, then it gets sent back. Lambda then grabs that clean answer and shoots it back through that WebSocket to the app the user is looking at. And boom! The user sees a safe and helpful response. So, the whole point of the setup? It's about building trust and keeping things secure. These guardrails in Bedrock give you control over what goes in and what comes out of your AI. It's like having a rulebook for your AI, making sure it behaves itself. Plus, because it uses things like Lambda and Fargate, even though it's not explicitly shown for the UI here, it can handle a lot of users without breaking a sweat and without costing a fortune on servers. It's all about keeping things safe, scalable, and making sure your AI is actually useful and not a liability. Pretty neat, huh?